I'm Sadie Ray from Kids Are Foodies 2, and I'm at the Cookout in New Milford, Connecticut. And I'm trying Mom's 3-cheese mac-and cheese with some bacon, oh my gosh, bacon, and jalapeno peppers. I'm going to avoid the jalapenos. Let's see how it tastes. The pasta just goes perfectly. And the cheese just oozes out of the pasta. There's so much. It's just so perfect. And the bacon, well, the bacon just makes it even more fantastic because bacon. It's bam. Diggity good.